Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dropshipping, an exciting business model that allows you to start an online store and make money without the need for inventory or upfront investment. If you're eager to tap into the booming e-commerce industry and build a profitable business, then this video is for you. So, let's explore the strategies and steps to help you succeed in dropshipping and start making money. Let's get started. Segment 1. Understanding dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you act as the middleman between customers and suppliers. Instead of keeping inventory, you list products from suppliers on your online store. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer's doorstep. You profit from the difference between the wholesale and retail prices. Segment 2. Finding profitable niches and products. The key to success in dropshipping is finding profitable niches and products. Conduct thorough market research to identify trends, consumer demands, and untapped opportunities. Look for products with reasonable profit margins, low competition, and a target audience that aligns with your marketing capabilities. Segment 3. Selecting reliable suppliers. Choosing reliable suppliers is crucial in dropshipping. Look for suppliers who offer quality products, competitive prices, and efficient shipping times. Vet potential suppliers by reviewing their product catalogs, customer reviews, and their ability to handle order fulfillment promptly and professionally. Segment 4. Building your online store. Building a user-friendly and visually appealing online store is essential to attract customers. Choose an e-commerce platform that aligns with your needs and offers dropshipping integration. Customize your store's design, optimize product descriptions, and ensure smooth navigation and a secure checkout process. Segment 5. Marketing and driving traffic. To make sales, you need to drive traffic to your online store. Utilize various marketing channels, such as social media advertising, search engine optimization, SEO, influencer collaborations, and email marketing. Do viral TikTok content to boost your views. Craft compelling content, leverage social proof, and use targeted advertising to reach your potential customers. Segment 6. Providing exceptional customer experience. Providing exceptional customer experience is crucial in dropshipping. Set clear expectations regarding shipping times, product quality, and customer support. Communicate promptly and transparently with customers, handle inquiries and returns efficiently, and ensure a smooth post-purchase experience. Segment 7. Analyzing and optimizing performance. Regularly analyze and optimize your dropshipping performance. Track key metrics such as conversion rates, average order value, and customer acquisition cost. Use analytics tools to gain insights into customer behavior, optimize your marketing strategies, and refine your product selection. Segment 8. Managing inventory and supplier relationships. While dropshipping doesn't involve managing inventory, maintaining strong relationships with your suppliers is vital. Regularly communicate with them, keep track of product availability, and address any issues promptly. Consider working with multiple suppliers to diversify your product offerings and ensure reliable fulfillment. Segment 9. Scaling your dropshipping business. As your dropshipping business grows, it's essential to scale your operations. Continuously seek new products and niches to expand your catalog. Optimize your marketing strategies, automate processes where possible, and consider outsourcing tasks to free up your time for strategic planning and growth. Segment 10. Staying updated and adapting. The e-commerce landscape is ever evolving, and staying updated is crucial for dropshipping success. Keep an eye on market trends, customer preferences, and industry innovations. Adapt your strategies, embrace new technologies, and always be open to learning and improving your business. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge and strategies to dive into the world of dropshipping and start making money. From selecting profitable products and reliable suppliers to building your online store, marketing, and providing exceptional customer experiences, you're ready to embark on your dropshipping journey. Remember, success takes dedication, adaptability, and a customer-centric approach. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on e-commerce and entrepreneurship.